We have an agency, Mr. President. It is called the Philippine Contractors Accreditation Board, or PICAB, which is the implementing board of the CIAP, a construction industry authority of the Philippines. Incidentally, this authority is under the DTI. Pero it seems na medyo nahaluan na rin yata ng konting, o hindi lang konti, ng katiwalian pagdating sa mga flood control projects, because information na keep coming in sa aming opisina na itong PICAB nagre-resort na sa accreditation for sale. May mga ganyang reports, and I've talked to some contractors, private contractors, na they had this experience of being offered accreditation by PICAB, na sila na yung bahala sa bank certificate and other requirements for a fee of, I think, 2 million pesos for a start. So ganito na po kasama talaga yung kalakaran sa ating bureaucracy.